Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to download and install YouTube on Windows. So what we're going to do now is to go over to youtube.com as we have it right now on our screen, and we're going to go over to the address bar. Now on the address bar, you're going to look to the right. Now on the right you might have some options here depending on your browser, and you're going to look for the option to download. Now this is a bookmark icon. This is a zoom in icon, and this is where you can download and install YouTube. We're going to click on it, and then we have this pop-up notification asking us if we want to install it. We're going to click on install. And now you can see that the app has been installed, and you have some boxes to tick. If you wanted to pin in your taskbar, if you want to create your desktop shortcut, we're going to do this. So after you've made your preferences, you can click on allow. As you can see, we're currently on the YouTube app, and the page where we were on continues on the app. If we bring this down, you can see our browser, and the app is now available for our use. This means that you can now search for YouTube as an app on your computer and use it as an app. So this is how to download and install YouTube on Windows.